Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob from Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing, actually a double unboxing right here. We've got two things here, one from Lynch clips right here, so you can see that right there. And hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob from Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing, actually a double unboxing. Today we have something from Lynch clips, as you can see right there, and then another one here from Urban EDC. So let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, make sure there's no receipt in there. Sticker, and as usual, saying thank you. So what this is a clinch for my 80/20.5, and it's going to be a deep pocket carry clip. We'll have a little short probably on that one and put that one on. So that's cool. And then this one over here, let's go ahead and dig right into this one. Let's see here, is there any receipts in here? Nope. Just a little card like they normally have. Very good. All right, so this right here is the Urban EDC Supply F5.5. Handle material black PVD coated titanium with G-10 blade material M390 black PVD coated. So let's take a look at this. All right, one of their little cards. You rock. Thank you for supporting community makers and enthusiasts. Very cool. Like their stuff. And here's their bag. You can see. All right. So I have resisted in getting one of these, and I wanted to try one finally. And they had a really great deal on this, so I wanted to try it. This is the F5.5. They originally started out with something titanium like this, and then they had the Sagai kind of pattern on that, and that was really fancy and kind of a special edition. And then they came out with some different variations, some G10, and then they had this one right here. And this one was on sale. As you can see, it's black PVD coated. Let's take a look. Blade looks pretty centered, yeah. Looks really nice. You can see there's a back spacer back here with definitely a lanyard, a little bit prioritized. Wish it wasn't. Definitely recessed deep pocket carry clip. Of course, the screws are sticking up a little bit. I wish they were recessed more, but there's plenty of room for space. A huge lip here, but definitely room, so that's nice. All right, and you can see it's one way to open. It's got a fuller hole, so hopefully that works really well, because supposedly it's supposed to be perfect, right? And it's M390, so let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, that opened pretty nicely. It is a liner lock. Let's see how that locks up. Looks like it's a good 25%. And you can see that right there. There's an M390 blade steel right there. And here's a blade, nice flat grind. And looks like it's probably a little about 2.5 inches, right? Comes down to a nice thin edge. Pretty sharp blade. All right, pretty nice. Get a nice grip, and you can definitely choke up here. Looks like, yeah, it can choke up. Let's see how it drops. All right, nice drop. Definitely seems to open up really well. Let's see, we do the reverse. All right, yeah, definitely. Can definitely do a reverse flick with the left hand. That's nice. That's cool. Yeah, it's got some nice action. I like that. Probably will break in pretty nicely. It's supposed to be good access to the cutaway, so you can definitely see it's definitely has some relief on there to definitely get to the liner lock. It's definitely a little bit angled. I like that. Good geometry on the angles, nothing sharp. If it's too sharp and too steep, then that can really hurt after a while, right? It makes it uncomfortable to use. But that's really nice. All right, so I'm impressed with that so far. It is nicely chamfered all around the edges. You can see that. Beautiful, beautiful all the way around. Let's see here. Definitely comfortable in the hand, and definitely comfortable with the choke up. And the choke up right here, where you choke up, you can definitely, the chamfering up here, sorry, the jimping up here, I don't know why I'm saying chamfering. The jimping up here, I knew that wasn't right. The jimping up here is perfect for like a choke carry, you know, if you're choking up on with the finger choil. So, and if you're back here, you know, it's pretty flat, but that's nice. Okay. So it definitely reverse flicks really nicely, and I do like the like I said, the chamfering on the edges. That is really nice. It does feel comfortable in hand, especially for a little one. So I've got medium to medium large hands. I barely got all 4 fingers on here, but if I choke up, definitely got a nice full grip. So large, extra large, probably even 2X if you use the finger choil, should easily work. So that's really nice. I think as it breaks in, it's gonna, you know, start to drop really, really nicely. One of the things I did get, it was this Jade G-10, or this basically cleared G-10, because I wanted to color it. And I'm debating between doing a red or doing an orange or something like that. I think that would look really, really nice. An orange color with the black, I think would be nice with the PVD coating. So an M390 steel. Yeah, very functional blade. Definitely use that. Nice. I guess that's a Wharncliffe or sheep's foot. What do they call this? It doesn't say on here. Excuse me. Well, it's got the coming up. It's got a little coming out here. It's not as forward out like a sheep's foot, I guess. So maybe this is a Wharncliffe. I don't know. Maybe it's modified. Who knows? You can call it Wharncliffe, sheepfoot, drop, tanto, reverse spear point, dagger, you know, reverse tanto, forward tanto, you know, Wharncliffe, reverse Wharncliffe, whatever you want to call it. We can, you know, whatever. It's a nice shape, and it looks like a very functional shape, so I like that. That's really cool. So far, very good. Yeah, that is nice. So let's do a little up close here. We'll see, here's the blade. Nice flat grind on that. You see the jimping up here. Oh, let's make sure we get the focus. The jimping up on top. See, it comes out to a nice thin edge right there. Definitely, it's got a pretty good length of edge on there, so that means it's definitely going to be pretty sharp. That's nice. Here's the choke up point for the finger. Definitely can fit in there pretty comfortably. And in here as well. And that's nice and chamfered ever more, even when you're getting in here, so that's comfortable. You can see all the chamfering all the way around here. Here's a clip. Relatively deep carry clip. That's nice. Back spacer, and here, of course, your lanyard. So those of you who love lanyards, there you go. You have your lanyard. I could do without it, but that's fine. The liner lock, again, like I said, locks up really nicely. Let's see if we can get the light on there, because it is all black, so it's kind of hard to see. That's really nice. And then the drop. Yeah, I think with a little bit of oil and break-in, that's going to be really, really nice. I don't think I may have to adjust that or not. I don't think so. It's actually really good detent for a fuller reverse flicking. You know, sometimes you have to adjust these, but this is nice. This is not bad. I mean, I guess if it was a flipper, probably wouldn't be super strong, but that's really, really nice. I like that. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Very cool. I mean, I could make this in white, and then we could have like a Stormtrooper look, or I can make it in red and black, and kind of look, I don't know, safety sort of. It could be red and black. That would be kind of cool. I like that too. Like a real red, not like my CJRB red logo, the one I have that looks orange, but it's supposed to be red. Anyways, that's nice. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. I will have to say that this is not a bad knife at all. Well, if you guys have any questions about this unboxing or any other boxings, some things you'd like to see me do or look at or check out while I do the unboxing, I would love to hear from you, because I'm always learning. And that's why some of these unboxings have morphed and changed over the time, you know, as I learn more and more. But I appreciate you joining today and enjoying this experience with me of unboxing this knife, which has been a lot of fun. If you have any questions about the knife or anything like that, please let me know also, well as in the comments down below. If you have any ideas, things you'd like to see, please let me know. I have several of you made some requests, and I am going to be working on those videos, and I do listen to them and put them into my list of videos to do. So I appreciate that for any of those of you who have done that. Again, hey, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and this content, would you consider hitting the like button? That sure helps me out and lets me know the content I provide is of value and worthwhile, and helps me to keep producing more material. And if you like this, consider subscribing, and that really does help me out a lot as far as my channel. It'll help me get, you know, be able to do more and make more content because of that. Also, if you have already subscribed, maybe consider hitting that notification button. Then you can be notified of upcoming content as I drop that as well. That would be awesome. And finally, if you haven't checked me out yet, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robsnerdy_knives. That's robs_nerdy_knives. That's on Instagram. I sure appreciate you guys watching today. You guys have a great day and a great week. Bye.